morning. Today is January 31, 2026. It is actually my birthday. I'm recording this so I remember this day. Our itinerary for today is that we're going to Halong Bay. We booked a trip to Halong Bay via Klook, and we're just waiting for our bus to pick us up. We are actually at our hotel lobby. Let me show you our hotel lobby. This is this. It's Trang Trang Premium Hotel. There you go. So the itinerary showed that we'll be picked up at around 7:20 in the morning. So we're just waiting for our bus. It will take us like around 3 hours from Hanoi to Halong Bay, and we'll keep you updated. Okay, yung pick up namin, yung pick up guy namin nandito na. So we thought na ipipick up kami sa hotel, pero may staff silang pumunta and sabi that we can walk like a few blocks away from the hotel. Andun siguro yung bus. Actually, nababait naman, he offered his motorbike kung pwede kaming sumakay sa kanya. But we opted to walk na lang. Malapit lang naman. It's just a few blocks away. So, here. This is... Yeah, this is yeah, so that's our guy. Ito. We will wait here?
Yes.
Okay.
Our bus point is right here. So can you wait around 5 minutes?
Oh, it's okay.
Come here.
Thank you so much.
So can I take a picture of you, send to the tour guide?
Sure.
Yeah. Easy for him to recognize you. 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Have a good trip.
Thank you. So, andito tayo ngayon sa corner or sa main road kung saan tayo sinabihan na magantay, like 5 minutes daw darating yung bus natin. So I'll just show you yung itsura ng street na to. This is along corner of Hang Tung and Nguyen Ho Han. Yan. Hang Tung and Nguyen Ho Han. So, you can see may mga nagtitinda ng fruits. Flowers over there. Ayan. So here's, yeah, here's our bus. Thank you.
Mabuhay.
Oh, thank you.
Okay. Từ. 26 ra đây.
So, let me just show yung bus namin. Yung bus namin is para siyang coaster. Hindi siya yung talagang bus na malaki. So, yung seats niya, leather seats. And nare-recline naman siya. And kung nalobat ka, I would suggest na magdala ka ng chargers. Meron silang chargers dito, mayroong USB port and Type-C port. So ito yung leg room. This is the leg room. Okay naman siya. So ang itsura sa likod, So yan, nag-stop over tayo sa Bamboo and Silk Technology, sabi. Here, stop over muna kung sinong gusto mag-CR. May pa-feature sila na silk. Oh. Yun yung mga silk nila. Ayan din kung paano gumawa ng silk.
Don't drink the tea. This is the hot tea. Okay, this is the hot tea.
Bamboo tea?
Yeah, no, this is herbal tea. Legal. Normal scarf like that, okay? Or you can wear like a sweater. It's very stretching, so it fits with everyone. Okay, you can wear like a sweater like that. And you can wear also an overcoat. We have about 20 colors inside my store, so you can choose any color you want. Okay, you can wear my overcoat like that, and this will help you. Okay, help you keep warm in the winter. Okay, or you can wear like a skirt, a short or long skirt. Okay, like skirt, like that, like dress, like that, okay? You can freeze it inside the book when you buy, okay? Or you can search on YouTube, magic scarf or amazing scarf to see how to wear very easy, okay? We have about 26 different styles, so you can change the outfit every day, okay? This can be like a shirt here, or even like a jacket, like that, okay? It's very, very elegant. You can wear with a dress inside, okay? And this is the last.
So, ayan, we're done with the tour. Actually, nag-stop over kami dito. We thought na parang iihi lang, gano'n lang, bibili lang ng snacks. Pero maganda yung ginawa nila kasi ano na siya, parang you get the chance to learn of their products. Ang products nila dito is bamboo and the silk. So yun, pinakita nila yung ginagawa about sa bamboo fiber, and then you get a chance then to see yung mga finished products nila. So may mga may portion dyan sa loob kung saan yun, pwede kang bumili ng mga souvenirs from bamboo fiber. Ayan, so dito tayo ngayon. And inaantay natin na bumalik yung ating driver sa ating bus, so we can go back and continue on our trip towards Halong Bay. We're having our second stop here at the Pearl Museum. Sabi ng aming tour guide, this is actually within the area of the Halong Bay. So, there. We have the Pearl Museum. Malamig. Malamig dito. Parang Hanoi lang din yung lamig. Oh. Okay, cultivation room. Pinukuha sila ng pearls. Nagawa nila. Liver farming? Ah, oo. Kaya nila. Ang gaganda ng mga pearl. That costs 24,165,000 dong. I'm not sure kung magkano yan sa peso. Yan, so dito na kami sa harbor, tabag ko. Tingnan natin yung pangalan natin. Tingnan natin. Where's our name? Sabagay, pwede na akong bumalik, no? Sabi ko oyster, maraming oyster dito kasi yung isang stopover namin, dumaan kami sa oyster farm. Halong Bay. So where we at? Of course, we're in Vietnam. We're in Halong Bay. So you can see the rock formations all over the place. Very nice. Okay, so we just had our lunch and like everyone is at the upper deck enjoying the view of the Halong Bay. Ang ganda ng mga rock formations dito. first time. So, sold then okay. That's good. We're going to leave. Siya yung mag-isa kumakain kagabi sa kaibigan. Nakita ko. Ito lang. Hindi. Siya. Okay, on to our second stop. It's called, ito yung tinatawag pala na Amazing Cave. Kanina, I'm not sure. Akala ko Amazing Cave kanina yon. So, yan. Yan yung boat namin. Yung ship namin. So, dalawa daw yung option mo dito. Either you go to the beach. Ito ba yun? Ay, ano to? Pupunta sa cave tala.
Labas ka sa kabila.
Oo, so dun aakyat tayo dun. Medyo mataas siya. This will be quite a bit of a challenge. Pero kaya naman. Sasakit na lang yung paa pagdating. So, madami tayong tourists. This is the Hang Song Sut Cave. So I think we're about to enter the cave. Yeah. Anong texture niya? Really? Not dangerous? Kasi daw ganun. Thing dito, yung steps na ginawa inside the cave, small steps lang siya. Hindi siya malalaking steps. So hindi siya masyadong mahirap i-trek. So yan, pasok na naman tayo sa third chamber. Yan, so malapit na tayo makalabas sa cave. Hindi naman tayo nahirapan umakyat or bumaba kasi sabi ko nga small steps siya. Ano lang din, mahaba din talaga yung trek. Tsaka yan, eto medyo pataas talaga to. So yan tayo galing kanina. Doon tayo galing. Yun yung trek na inakyat natin kanina.
Thank you so much.
Doon naman tayo mag-exit. Doon yung entrance natin. Umakyat tayo. Diyan, pupunta sa cave. Exit natin on that part. Pupunta ulit, balik sa ship. Okay, let's go. So, our third and final stop is the beach over there. If you want to swim, or you can go up the mountain on that hill and trek. Pero we decided na hindi na bababa. Yeah. We'll just enjoy the scenery over here. Yan. Lagi. Yan ang nasakus. They decided to let off the bushing. Ano? Hello. Yan. Isa din sa mga inclusion ng itong inavail natin sa Klook is yung sunset party. So we're here at the roof deck of the ship, and they're setting up for the party this afternoon. Yan. Pauwi naman kami. Habang pauwi kami, nagse-set up sila
Okay.
ng party.
Good afternoon, everyone. Okay.